If you're still paying for Grok, Sora, Runway, or other AI video generators, stop for a second, because what I'm about to show you could save you a lot of money. Today, I'll reveal a little-known method to access Seedence 2.0, one of the highest-ranked AI video models available right now, completely free. And no, I'm not talking about a limited free trial or a few credits that disappear after a couple of generations. I'll show you free AI tools for creating images and videos, and then I'll reveal the exact method that's currently giving users access to Seedence 2.0 without paying for expensive credits. The best part? When I compared Seedence 2.0 to older models, the difference was insane. Better realism, smoother motion, and far more cinematic results. So before you spend another dollar on AI tools, watch this first. And if you enjoy discovering powerful AI tools before everyone else, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment Seedence below. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Now let's get started. Before I show you how to access Seedence 2.0 for free and with unlimited use, let's explore some incredible options. This first tool allows you to create high-quality images and videos completely free of charge. Let's start by generating an image. All you need to do is enter your prompt right here, and the system will generate exactly what you requested. The results are absolutely stunning and highly detailed. One of the best features of this tool is the restyle capability. You can completely transform any generated image into a new style. For example, if I select the 3D style, it will recreate our original image into a 3D computer-generated cartoon animation. The flexibility is amazing, giving you multiple options to choose from. Additionally, you can modify your results. If there's anything you'd like to change, you can edit it directly or choose to animate the image. It offers both automatic and custom animation options. Let's animate this one to see how it looks. As you can see, the image transitions into motion seamlessly. Now, let's move on to video generation. I'll click on Create Video and enter my prompt. You can also upload a reference image if you prefer, but we'll skip that for now, and click Send. The tool will immediately start generating our video based on the prompt. Once completed, it provides up to 4 different scenes or variations. While the quality is impressive, one minor drawback can be the physics. Sometimes elements like hair can appear a bit stiff. From here, you can add music or use the Extend tool to lengthen the duration. This platform functions very similarly to Grok AI. If you've been using Grok, you know it is now behind a paywall, though I have a dedicated video on this channel showing you how to get it for free. If you prefer an alternative, this tool is perfect for creating faceless YouTube videos and generating consistent income. Let's test the Extend tool. It lengthens our initial 6-second clip into an 8-second video. Just like before, you can add audio or restyle the clip into an entirely different aesthetic, such as anime. By selecting the anime filter, the entire video is re-rendered beautifully. This powerhouse tool is none other than Meta AI, developed by the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I will break down all the links, prompts, and resources mentioned today on our website. Be sure to check the pinned comment or description below to visit the site for more AI tools and prompt guides. Now, let's move on to our next AI tool before we unlock free and unlimited access to Seedence 2.0. Let's go! Our next platform is a personal favorite of mine that I use constantly because of its sheer versatility. It acts as an AI aggregator and agent, hosting a massive collection of industry-leading models, including Gemini, ChatGPT, GLM, Grok, QWEN, and Claude. You can generate both images and videos here. Let's start with an image using the Seedream model. I'll paste my prompt, skip the reference image upload, and hit Send. You can select any model you prefer from the extensive list, but for this example, we're utilizing Seedream. As you can see, the final image is highly accurate and delivers exactly what we requested. However, our main focus today is video generation. Note that you cannot generate videos in direct mode on this platform. You must use battle mode. The reason this platform offers free and unlimited access to premium models is because it operates as a crowdsourced benchmarking arena. It brings various AI models together to collect user feedback. When you generate videos and vote on the best output, you help rank the models on a global leaderboard. If we take a look at the leaderboard, you can see how it ranks the top models for text, image, and video tasks. According to the current standings for text to video, the absolute highest rated model delivering the best performance is Seedence 2.0, listed as Dreamina Seedence 2.0 by Alibaba, followed closely by their 1.2 and 1.5 versions, Sora 2.0 and Google Veo. Grok Imagine video currently sits at number 9. These rankings aren't random. They are determined by standard blind A/B testing. Let's jump into battle mode so you can see how it works. When you generate a video here, the names of the models are hidden. I'll enter an action prompt and hit generate. The platform will run the prompt through two anonymous models simultaneously, Assistant A and Assistant B. Once the generation is completed, you watch both clips, evaluate them, and vote for your favorite. Only after you vote will the system reveal which models were used. This data is what populates the leaderboard rankings. Let's review the results. Assistant B included high-quality audio and dynamic movement, while Assistant A had no sound. I'll vote for Assistant B. Once submitted, the platform reveals that Assistant B used Happy Horse 1.0, while Assistant A used Runway Gen 4.5. Let's run one more prompt to see another comparison before moving to our main showcase. I'll input the next prompt and hit send. Looking at these new results, the first option is excellent. After voting, we see that Grok Imagine video was used for the winning side, while Pixverse v5.6 generated the alternative. Now, let's transition to our main focus, how to get direct, free, and unlimited access to Seedence 2.0. This is where we will directly access Seedence 2.0 for free. Normally, if you check a standard account on this platform, you're allocated a set number of credits, meaning your generations are limited and can become quite expensive. However, I have a method that brings your costs to 0.0 credits for continuous creating. To demonstrate, I'll input a detailed prompt for a hyper-realistic close-up and hit generate. As the video processes, notice my credit balance untouched. On a restricted account, running this same prompt would heavily drain your balance. Let's wait a moment for the final output. The result is an incredibly moving, cinematic clip of a woman crying, showcasing remarkable realism. To see the generational leap between the two, let's run the exact same prompt using the standard method on the 1.1 model. While the standard free tier allows for high volume, the quality difference is massive. Comparing the two versions side by side reveals a night and day difference. The Seedence 2.0 output features flawless skin textures, realistic tear physics, and stunning cinematic lighting. The 1.1 version looks much more stylized, artificial, and glassy by comparison. The upgrade is top-notch. To bypass these limitations and unlock Seedence 2.0 for free, you have two highly effective methods. The VPN method. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and install a reputable free extension like Urban VPN Proxy. Once added to your browser, launch the VPN and connect to a server in Singapore or select African regions, as these locations currently offer optimized promotional access. Once connected, refresh the platform and you will see your credit cost drop to 0, allowing you to generate without restrictions. The trial loop method. Alternatively, you can opt for the 7-day free trial of the standard monthly plan, which instantly grants you 360 premium credits. Simply select the trial option and enter your payment details. I highly recommend using a temporary virtual card for this step. Once the trial is activated, simply manage or pause the renewal before the 7 days conclude to avoid any automated charges. With these methods, you can seamlessly leverage the full power of Seedence 2.0 to create breathtaking, high-end video content completely free. Try these techniques out for yourself and let me know in the comments below which tool you prefer and what projects you plan to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.